In today's crypto news, Bitcoin price dumps 9%, down from 11,400 all the way to 10,300, and has bounced back to where it's currently at, which is the $10,500 level. Is $8,400 the next target for Bitcoin? Find out in today's video. In today's show, we'll also be discussing this published chart on TradingView, which predicted Bitcoin going down to $10,500 13 hours in advance. We'll also be talking about the British banking giant Barclays severing their ties with Coinbase. In today's show, we'll also be discussing Hong Kong paying higher prices for Bitcoin during this political unrest, just like Argentina. And if you find this interesting, you're going to love today's show. It's your boy JV back with another crypto news alert, and as you know, I release a brand new video every day of the latest cryptocurrency news. Make sure to click the subscribe button as well as the bell icon to receive notifications of my latest videos. And with that being said, let's check out the Bitcoin charts. Last night was a rough night for Bitcoin. We went from about 11.4 all the way down to 10,002, which is about a 10% crash. But on the positive tip, we bounced back to 10.5, 10.6, which is where we're currently at, which is also a strong support. Now I want to show you why I believe there is a strong possibility that if we break below the 10,000 mark, that the $8,400 level is inevitable. We're going to take a look at the CME future charts. Now, over the past 24 hours, we just closed some major gaps in the futures chart, and I'm going to outline them for you. You can see one right here from August 4th, which was from about the 10.7 to the $11,000 mark, which just recently closed. Continue scrolling. We're going to find some more gaps here. We're going to find some more gaps. There is a gap here from about the $11,000 mark up, which has been closed. Let's continue searching further. There's a gap here from about 11.4 to 11.9, which has been closed. There is a gap here from about 10,000 to 10.7, which has been closed. And as we go, search a little further, right here is the money. This is the money. This is the $8,500 to the $9,000 gap. And as you can see, that has never closed. Now, it's very improbable that a gap like that doesn't close, because history shows us oftentimes it does. That's why I feel if we break below 10,000, which is also a strong psychological support level, that 8,500 may be inevitable. What do you think? Now, here's a guy, username Alan Masters, who predicted Bitcoin dumping down to the $10,500 level, and he published this 13 hours before it actually happened. So in the description down below, right below this video, I'm going to include a link in the news resources so you can actually check this out for yourself, and feel free to follow him on TradingView. I love TradingView. They publish a lot of great Bitcoin price actions and analysis that are very helpful. And let's take a look over at BitMEX. As you can see right now, this is the largest derivatives exchange where you can long and short Bitcoin. And as you can see, shorts are dominant. Let me lower the size of the screen here. 54% shorts, 45% longs. And you can see in the past 24 hours, the superiority is over 382 million and climbing. Just when we thought that Bitcoin would make an exceptional leap towards 12,000 and beyond, to our surprise, it slid to 11,000 and then almost as low as 10,000. Now the major question lies whether this is a regular bump in the trading counter, or is it an extended fall which may leave Bitcoin in the bearish zone. Bitcoin trades at around $10,500 at this time, a lot lower than 11,000. Now here's the BTC to USD price comparison. Bitcoin under selling pressure is exhibiting a sell signal as it slides below 11K. Bitcoin broke all its major support levels at 11,000 11.3, 11, and 10.8. The downstride has been easy and breezy as the coin was well above 11,000, trading at 11,339 yesterday. As observed, the coin has been sliding since then, which made it dip by 7.64% to trade as low as 10,472. Okay, so what the hell is going on with Barclays and Coinbase? Let's find out. As CoinDesk reported on August 13th, unnamed industry sources said that Barclays will no longer be banking for Coinbase, severing a relationship that began when Coinbase opened a Barclays account in March of 2018. The news is expected to hit the crypto community hard, as in addition to linking a major crypto exchange with the heavy hitter among the traditional banking establishment, the break may end CoinDesk users' access to the United Kingdom's faster payment scheme and slow the exchange of cryptocurrencies for British pounds sterlings dramatically. The precise reason for the split is unknown, but one anonymous source speculated to CoinDesk that it's my understanding that Barclays' risk appetite has contracted a little. I'm not sure exactly why or what's been driving that. Maybe there's been some activity they are not happy with, but it's about Barclays' comfort level with crypto as a whole. However, on the positive side, Coinbase, for its part, does not seem to have suffered greatly in recent months. This July, it came out that the exchange had registered 8 million new users in the preceding year. Holy shit! Yes, Coinbase is on fire, and they will continue to be on fire. All right, so what's going on in Hong Kong with Bitcoin? Bitcoin has begun trading at a premium in Hong Kong as continued political uncertainty produces a widely reported spike in demand. Copycat moves underline the fiat distrust. Data from peer-to-peer Bitcoin exchange Local Bitcoins showed traders paying around $300 more per coin than elsewhere on August 14th, which translates into a premium of about 2%. Also keep in mind, we covered this story yesterday in Argentina. The same exact thing is going on, causing Bitcoin to be sold at a premium. Bitcoin premium suggests demand for politically neutral digital money. Both events, the one going on in Argentina and in Hong Kong, underscore an increasingly tendency to treat Bitcoin as a safe haven asset in times of fiat unpredictability. Despite BTC/USD losing around 9% this week, the move pales in comparison to peso holders' 30% losses over the same period. So true. Think about it. Bitcoin is becoming the asset of last resort in areas of extreme currency devaluation and political uncertainty. Ryan Steinberg, CEO of crypto hedge fund Arca, told Bloomberg on Tuesday. Now let's take a look at the crypto market over at Coin360. You can see Bitcoin currently down 5% for the day, trading at $10,632. Notice the color isn't just like a light red like the rest of the alts, but it's a blood red because it was a bloody day for Bitcoin. And as you can see, most of the crypto market is in the red for today, with a few exceptions such as Bitcoin Cash, Bitcoin SV, Bitcoin Gold, ultimately anything with the word Bitcoin attached to it, minus Bitcoin itself. Well, that's it for today's show. Don't forget to smash that subscribe button and click the bell to receive notifications of the latest crypto news. So what do you think is going to happen with Bitcoin? Are we going to surpass the 10,000 critical support level and go all the way down to 8,400 and close those CME gaps on the future charts? Let me know in the comments. And once again, I appreciate you for tuning in. I'll see you on tomorrow's episode. Peace.